Signing up for Venmo is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Download the app. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Venmo app. Open the app. Once the app is installed, open it on your mobile device. Create an account. Tap on the sign up button to begin creating your Venmo account. You will need to provide your email address, phone number, and create a password. You may also be asked to verify your phone number through a text message. Link a payment method. After creating your account, you will need to link a payment method to fund your Venmo transactions. You can link a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Venmo may require you to verify your linked payment method for security purposes. Set up your profile. Customize your Venmo profile by adding a profile picture and username. You can also add a brief bio to let others know more about you. Agree to terms. Review Venmo's terms of service and privacy policy. Then agree to them and complete the sign-up process.